Okay, so I will give you a little brief introduction about the workshop. So it's going to be for 10 days back bend workshop. Here we are going to focus on the flexibility and strength together. Okay. In the first week, we are going to focus more on the upper back and shoulder flexibility and strengthening. Okay. Today we will do flexibility drills. On Thursday, we will do strengthening drills. Why? Because strengthening is most important in back bends. When you want to do deeper and advanced postures, you need strength in your back muscles. If you're not strong enough, only flexibility will not gain you the advanced postures, right? So we will do flexibility and strengthening together. Okay, so I will tell you 3 types of the back muscles that we are going to do in the workshops. Okay, so this is a normal spine. This is me, a normal person. So we have 3 muscles that we are going to work on. First is your cervical neck muscles, this one. Okay, this is called upper back bend, cervical. Okay, second one is your thoracic, middle back bend, this one, which my chest is coming out and hip is going back, this one. Now I am going to feel the stretch here in the middle of the back. It is called middle back and also thoracic muscles, right? So this is called middle back. Now third one, lumbar, means your lower back. So what we're going to do, push up. When we are pushing the hip forward, now I am squeezing my hip flexors. Okay, why? Because I'm not going to give all the weight to my bones. So whenever you are doing back bend, you should always squeeze your hip muscles. It will not come on the bones. Okay, so this one, this is my lower back bend. So we are going to work on all the 3 spines, because only working on the lower back is not going to help you. Okay, so today we are going to work on the upper back, this neck muscles, your shoulder blades, your chest and upper back. Okay, so we start. Sit in a comfortable posture. Sit on in a comfortable posture on the mat. Cross your legs. Keep your both palms on your knees. Yes. Gautami, you also do. Yes. Keep your both palms on your knees. Close your eyes. Take one deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now join your palms together. We are going to chant Om one time. Inhale. Now slowly rub your palms together. And then touch your palms to your eyes, your face, and your full body. And gently open your eyes. Okay, now stand up. So for the warm up, we will start with Surya Namaskar rounds. Okay, we will do 6 rounds. First, I will do it with you, then you will do with me. Okay, so first one, inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, join your palms in front of your chest. Look forward. Now 2, inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, go to back bend. Okay, 3, exhale, bend forward. Go all the way down, stretch your spine down, look down. 4, now take your right leg back in low lunge position and look up, stretch your hip down. 5, exhale, mountain, stretch back, lengthen your spine here, stretch your spine back and relax your shoulder blades. Okay, 6, knees down, chest down, chin down, look forward. 7, inhale, cobra, roll your shoulders back, look up. Okay, 8, exhale, go to mountain, stretch your spine back again. 9, take your right leg forward and look up. 10, take your both leg forward, lengthen your spine here and stretch down. 11, inhale, back bend. And 12, join your palms together. Okay, now you do second round. Again, 1, inhale, arms up. Exhale, join your palms in front of your chest. Very nice. Okay, 2, inhale, back bend. Push your hip forward and take your arms back. Yes. Okay, 3, exhale, bend forward, go all the way down, stretch down, Yes, now lengthen your spine here. Keep your body weight on the center of the foot, not on the heels. Shift it towards the toes. Yes, Gautami, shift your weight forward towards your toes. Yes, perfect. Now stretch down. Take your chest down. Yes, closer to your knees. Good. Okay, now 4, take your left leg back. Yes, stretch your hip down, look up. Keep your right knee at 90 degree. So Gautami, take your knee, yes, very nice, very nice. Take your knee at 90 degree. Good. Yes, Ravi, take your knee at 90 degree. Good. Okay, 5. Now exhale, go to mountain, stretch back. Now from here you have to, don't touch your head to the floor. Yes. Now stretch your spine back. Okay. You don't have to do up and down, just hold the posture. Now 6, knees down, chest down, chin down. Yes, hip off the floor. Good. 7, inhale, cobra, back bend. Roll your shoulders back, open your chest muscles. Yes, exhale. 8, go back to mountain, stretch back. Yes, lengthen your spine there. Good. Okay. Now 9, take your left leg forward. Yes, keep your knee at 90 degree, focus on your knee joint. Now 10, take your both leg forward, stretch down. Lengthen your spine here. 11, inhale, go to back bend. Push your hip forward. Yes, go to back bend. And 12, join your palms together. Yes, okay, now third round. Again, 1. Inhale, arms up. Yes, 2, inhale, back bend. Yes, Gautami, keep your knee straight and go back. Knee straight, squeeze your hip muscles. Yes. 3, exhale, bend forward, maintain balance, don't fall down. Yes, bend forward. Yes. Now from here, don't hunch your back. Kubar nahi banana hai, usko niche khicho. Yes, try to stretch it down towards the floor. Yes, very nice. Okay, now 4, take your right leg back. Stretch your hip down, keep your knee at 90 degree, focus on your knee joint. 5, take your both leg back. Mountain, stretch back, lengthen your spine here. Don't do up and down, hold there. Yes, 6, knees down, chest down, chin down. Good. 7, inhale, back bend. Roll your shoulders back, chest open. Very nice. Take your head more back. Good. 8, exhale, mountain. Stretch back. Yes. 9, again take your right leg forward. Yes, keep your knee at 90 degree. 10, take your both leg forward, stretch down, do forward fold. Keep the body weight at center, not on the heels, and try to lengthen your spine here. Don't hunch your back. Yes, and touch your head to the shin bones, not to the knees. Take it down towards the shin bones. Yes, very good. 11, inhale, back bend. Now use your lower back, keep your knee straight and squeeze your hip muscles. Yes, Gautami, go back. Hold there for 5. 1, take your arms back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, okay, 12. Now fourth round again. 1. Yes. Fourth round. Yes, 1. Now 2, inhale, back bend. Yes, push your hip forward, go back, go down. Squeeze your hip muscles. Okay, 5. Oh, sorry. 3, exhale, bend forward. Yes, forward bend. Very good. Okay, 4, take your left leg back. Stretch your hip down, keep your knee at 90 degree. Now 5, mountain. Yes, stretch your spine back. Don't do up and down, just stretch back and hold there. Yes, 6, knees down, chest down, chin down. 7, inhale, back bend, roll your shoulders back, open your chest muscles. Yes, you have to roll your shoulders back. Very good. Gautami, take your spine more back, closer to your hip joints. Yes, open your chest, pop out your chest. Good. 8, exhale, go to mountain. Yes, stretch your spine back. 9, now take your left leg forward. Yes, stretch your hip down. Very nice. 10, take your both leg forward. Stretch down. Now don't hunch your back. Keep your body weight at center. Shift it on the toes. Yes. And try to touch your chest to the knees, not your head. Touch your chest. Yes. And take your head towards the toes. Yes. Very nice. Okay. 11. Inhale, back bend. Squeeze your hip muscles and go back. Push your hip forward. Yes. Go back and hold for 5. Hip forward, Ravi. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very nice. Okay, now join your palms. Okay, I think this is enough for today. Now we will do joint movements. So first you have to keep both palms on your waist. Okay, now take 2 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Okay, now we will start with the joint movement. So you will start with neck rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, reverse anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now change. Now we have to look up and down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now change. Look towards your right and then left. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now change. Now touch your ear to your shoulder and stretch your neck down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now change. Now start with arms rotation. So rotate your arms clockwise. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your wrist. Close. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change anti-clockwise, reverse. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now change. Now rotate your elbows clockwise like this. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Anti-clockwise. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your neck straight. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now from here, interlock your fingers, stretch your shoulders back. Okay, keep your stomach in and hold there. Yes, stretch your shoulders back. Very nice. Keep your stomach in. Don't pop out your chest. Keep your spine straight. Yes, Gautami, keep your spine straight. Don't push your hip back. Yes, keep your hip. Yes, this is straight spine. Don't push your hip back. Keep your hip forward. Yes, this one. Hold there. 1, hip inside. 2, 3. Yes, 4. Very good. 5. Neck straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale. Now interlock your fingers at the back and stretch your arms up. Hold there for 10 seconds. After that, you have to bend forward and take your arms down. Okay? So first, stand straight and stretch your arms up. Yes, look forward. Keep your neck straight. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch higher. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now bend forward. Yes. Exhale. Bend forward. Take your arms up. Good. And keep the body weight on toes, not on the heels. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't touch your head. 9 and 10. Okay, come back. Look here, Gautami. If you do this, right now you are doing like this. Okay. So you are giving too much pressure here on the cervical area. So it will start to feel pain in the neck area. Okay, so what you have to do, if you want to go more down, take your chest down here. Okay, now I'm not taking my neck because your spine is here but your neck is forward like this. So always take your chest and keep your neck straight. Okay, otherwise it will come too much here on the neck. Okay, now come back to center. Now we have to rotate the shoulder blades. So rotate it clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now anti-clockwise reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now change. Now start wrist rotation. 1, 2. Keep your stomach in, not like this, and in. 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now stretch your wrist backwards. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hand change. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change now both arms forward and start twisting this one. So you have to twist your spine back. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now open your arms and then take your arms back like this. 1, 2, 3, okay. Yes, 5. Yes, very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now come back, hands on your waist. Now start waist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change. Now rotate your knees clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change. Open and close. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 1, 2. You have to rotate it, not like this. You have to rotate it. Yes. 1, 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now change. Now start your foot rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stretch your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now leg change. Rotate your foot clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Up and down. Stretch your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now relax. Shake your arms. Shake your legs. Relax for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we will start with middle back bend stretches. Okay, so you have to interlock your fingers and then roll your shoulders back. First, pop out your chest and roll your hip backwards. Okay, you should feel here, and then take your chest back and neck back. Okay, so start this stretch. Yes, first inhale, roll your shoulders back. Roll back your shoulders. Yes, very good. Pop out your chest and push your hip back. Yes, Gautami, push your hip back. Back. Yes, very nice. Good, good. Hold there and roll your shoulders back. Keep your hip back. Hip back, not forward. Yes, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pop out your chest more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Slowly come back to center. Now interlock your fingers, stretch your arms up and exhale. Go towards your right side and look up. Okay? Do side bend. Keep your hip inside. Yes. Yes, very good. Open your chest muscle and keep the body weight on right leg only. Yes. And don't tilt your pelvis. Keep your pelvis straight. Yes. Hold there. Stretch your side muscles and hold. 1, 2. Stretch your elbows back. 3, 4, 5. Yes. 6, 7, 8. Go down. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, slowly come back. Now again we are going to do middle back bend. We are going to do 3 times. Okay, now again back bend. Now Gautami, what you are going to do? You are interlocking your fingers and taking it back. So leave it and then hold your inner and then stretch back. Okay, so hold your inner thighs and then stretch back. Yes, do it. Inhale, take your arms back. Yes, now push your hip back. Yes, Gautami, push your hip back. Don't go down. Push your hip back. Yes, otherwise it will come on the lower back. We are focusing on the middle, so push your hip back. Yes, more back. Yes, this one. Keep pushing your hip back. Yes, perfect. Hold there. 1, and pop out your chest more. Keep your shoulders up. 1, closer to your ears. 2, 3, take your shoulders back. Yes, 4, 5, 6, yes, 7, 8. Don't go forward. Take your chest back. Yes, this one. 9, good. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Slowly come back. Yes, now again interlock your fingers, stretch your arms up and exhale. Bend towards your left side. Yes, do side bend. Very good. Hold there. Don't keep the weight on the right leg. Okay, keep the weight on the left leg. Yes, hold there. Yes, Gautami, go to side bend. Yes, interlock your fingers and exhale. Hold there. 1. Yes, go down. No, opposite side. Yes, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, wait, Gautami, wait. Look here. Right now you are doing this one. Your pelvis is tilting like this, so you have to keep it straight. Okay, don't tilt it like this or this. Keep your pelvis straight. You don't have to do this. Okay, so when you are lifting, and don't keep the weight here on the neck. Okay, so you have to push your elbows back and then stretch down here. You will feel in this side. Okay, don't tilt your pelvis and don't keep your neck down here. Okay, now do it again. Yes, exhale, go down. Yes, see, now you are giving the weight on the neck, so you have to keep your elbow away from the neck. Yes, keep your elbow up, not back. Keep it up here like this. Yes, and now stretch your chest down. Take your chest down. Yes, very good. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, now last time do back bend. It's okay. Yes, last time do back bend. Yes, so you have to roll your shoulders back. Now Gautami, don't keep your arms in thighs. Okay, take it inside of the leg. Yes, this one. This is good. Now roll your shoulders back and try to open your chest. Pop out your chest. Push your hip back. Yes, very good. And take your shoulders up closer to your ears. And take your chest weight back. Yes, take your chest back. Take your chest back. Yes, yes. Take your chest more back. Ravi, push your hip back. Hold there. 1, 2, 3. Gautami, take your chest weight back. Wait, look here. One time, look here. Both of you look here. Right now, Ravi, you are doing like this. Your hip is not going back. Okay, and Gautami, you are doing this one. So your chest is going forward. Okay, so what you have to do, take your chest weight back like this. Okay, not here, take it back like this. Okay, so take your chest back and Ravi, push your hip back. Okay, now do again. Yes, first push your hip back. Now Gautami, take best. Very nice. Hold there, hold there. Yes, hold and keep pushing your hip back. Hold. 1, very good, Ravi. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, slowly come back to center. Very nice. Now exhale, bend forward. Raise your arms up. Exhale. Now again, you don't have to take your head inside. Okay, keep your neck straight. And first take your chest towards the floor and then down, closer to your legs. Okay? So do it, hold there. Yes, go down. Stretch your elbows out and take your chest closer to your knees. Yes, exhale, go down. Very good. Hold there for 10 seconds. And keep the body weight on toes, not on the heels. Gautami, shift your weight forward. Yes, forward. Very good. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, now slowly come back to center. So this was the warm-up. I hope you're not tired. So this was the warm-up. Now we are going to do the upper back stretches, okay? But before that, you have to do child pose for 30 seconds to regain the energy. Okay, this one. This one. Do child pose for 30 seconds. Yes, after that we will start. Yes, keep your knees open. Yes, open your knees little. Hold there for 30 seconds. Relax yourself. Keep holding there. 20 seconds more. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now slowly come back. Yes, now we are going to do upper back bends with wall. Okay, so I will show you how to do. Look here. So first you have to come closer to the wall. After that, keep your palms on the wall. Okay, and take your legs back here. One arm gap. One arm gap. Okay. Now from here you have to slowly first inhale and then exhale. Take your chest down towards the wall and try to touch your head on the wall here. Okay, I will show one more time. So this is me standing. Now this is my gap. Because I am more flexible, so I am taking little more gap. If you are less flexible, you can come closer to the wall. Okay, otherwise go far and then exhale. Take your arms little up and then exhale. Stretch down and try to touch your head to the wall. Okay, so try. Yes, stand up. Yes, very good. Yes, yes. Wait, Gautami, take your legs little closer. One step forward. Yes, yes, this is fine. No, no, take it more back. More back. Yes, this is fine. Fine. Now slowly exhale. Go down. Yes, and push your hip back. Don't take your hip forward. Push your hip back. Yes, push your hip more back and slide more down. Yes, you have to go down and push your hip back. Okay, one time, Gautami, look at me. Right now, what you are doing? This is your posture right now. Okay, we are not focusing on the cervical area. We are focusing on the upper back, this one. So we are not going to do this. What you are going to do first, you have to push your hip back. This one, okay? So push your hip back and then slowly take your chest down. Not here, not here. Okay, take it down. This one. And now try to touch your chest. Oh, sorry, your head. It will come on the shoulder area. Okay? So push your hip back and go down, not forward. Yes, now first push your hip back. Yes, very nice. Good, good, good. And try to take your chest more down towards the floor. Yes, and head forward towards the wall. Very nice. Good, good. Hold there. Good. And now try to push your armpits closer to the wall. Okay, try to touch your armpits. Very good. But don't keep your hip forward. Push your hip back. Yes, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stretch your shoulders forward. 8, 9. Yes, yes. 10, 11, 12. Okay. 13, 14 and 15. Okay, we will do this 3 times, don't worry. Yes, now come back. So for counter pose, you have to exhale, hunch your back. Okay, interlock your fingers and then hunch your back backwards. Yes, keep your stomach in. Wait, keep your stomach in. Yes, like this. Okay, don't do this. Keep your stomach in and only push your chest back, like we do cat pose. Okay. Yes. Yes, very nice. Hold for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now go for the second round. Again, take your arms on the wall. Yes, this is upper back and shoulder opening. Yes. Now first push your hip back and now slowly take your chest down towards the floor. Yes, you don't have to take it towards the wall. Take it towards the floor. Yes, take your chest down. Very nice. Now take your head closer to the wall. Gautami, your arms little up. Your arms are more down, so take it little up. Yes. Now take your chest down and towards the wall. Very nice. And now keep pushing your armpits forward. Try to touch your armpits to the wall. No, don't take your hip back. Yes. Hold there. 1. Very good. 2. Keep pressing your armpits forward. 3. Only armpits, not hip. 4. 5. 6. 7. Good. 8. 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very nice. Come back and again hunch your back. You feel in your shoulders? Yes. Okay. Hunch your back to cat pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now last round. Go for it. Last round. Again go for it. Yes. Again take your arms up. Yes, and then slowly push your hip back and take your chest down. Yes, and try to touch your armpits to the wall, but without taking your hip forward. Yes, very nice. Gautami, take your chest more down and more forward. Yes, very nice. Hold there. 1, 2, very good, Ravi. 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, go forward. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, now again hunch your back. Yes, hunch your back and hold there for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now exhale, bend forward. Yes, do forward bend for 5 seconds. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we change. So now we are going to do the same step but with the usage of blocks. Okay, so take 2 blocks and then keep it. Okay, so what you are going to do, take 2 blocks, keep it like this, and then take your legs back. Be careful, otherwise you can fall like this or like this. So you have to keep your arms strong. Okay. After that, slowly exhale and take your chest forward and look forward. It will all come on the heart area. So I will show again. So you have to bend forward and then take your chest forward. Okay, but don't take your hip forward. Keep pushing your hip back here. This one. And come back. Okay. If this feels too difficult, you can keep your block like this also. This one. This is easy. And then again, exit. Go forward. Okay. Back. Yes. Gautami, you take your blocks like first way. No, not like this. Take it like I. Yes. No. Take it vertical. Not horizontal. Vertical. No. Keep it tilted, diagonal. Yes, this way. Yes. No. Look at. Wait. Take your block like this. Like this. Okay. And then keep your palms here. Yes, like this. Yes. Now first take your legs back And now exhale, stretch your chest forward. Yes. Take your chest forward and head forward. Yes. Try to go more forward. Very good. Don't take your neck only. Don't take your neck only. Yes, you have to take your chest. Gautami, take your legs one step forward. Yes. Now exhale and keep your arms little up. Yes. Now exhale. Go forward. Very good. Hold there. One. No, hip back. Hip back. Yes. Keep your hip back. Yes. Very good. Push your hip back. Don't touch your head. Otherwise, all the weight will come on the head. Okay. Just keep stretching forward and push your hip back. Very good. Ravi, look forward. 1, 2, 3. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, slowly come back. Hunch your back. You feeling in your chest and shoulders? You feeling? Yes. Okay. Now again, hunch your back. Yes. Hold for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now second round. Again, we will do 3 rounds for each exercise. Okay. Again, go for it. Ravi, take your arms. Take your blocks little up. Yes. Take it up. हाँ. ऊपर लेके जाओ. Yes. Very good. Now Gautami, push your hip back. Your hip is going. Yes. Very nice. Keep pushing your hip back and take your chest down. Hip back. Yes. And chest down. No. Don't take your hip forward. Push your hip back and chest down. Yes. Slide your chest down. Not neck, chest. Chest muscle, chest. Yes. Hold there. 1. Very good. 2, 3. Ravi, look forward. 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep pressing your armpits forward. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very nice. Again, come back. Hunch your back. Yes. Like cat pose. Hunch your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now go for the last round. Again, take your blocks up. Yes. Gautami, little down. Take your blocks little down. Yes. And little closer. Only shoulder width open. Okay. Not more than shoulder level. Open it like shoulders. Yes. Take it little up. Yes. Now exhale. Go down. Push your hip back and stretch your chest down. And try to take your armpits closer to the wall. Yes. Gautami, hip back and chest down. Yes. Very good. Now try to take your chest more closer to the wall. Very good. Hold there. 1, 2. Perfect. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to take your armpits more closer and chest more down to the floor. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, slowly come back. Now again, hunch your back. Yes, hold there for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now exhale, bend forward, and after this we change. So you have to do forward bend for 10 seconds. Yes, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now slowly come up. Now we will do the third stretch. This is for middle back. Okay, now we are not focusing on the shoulder area. Now we are going to focus on the middle back. This one. This. Okay. So what you have to do first, keep your interlock your fingers and bend your elbows like this. Now we are going to touch this area, this muscle. Okay, above the elbow on the ball like this, and then slowly push your knees back. Now from here you have to roll your hip back and look up here. Okay. Now I will show again from the first one what we were doing. So we were pushing the hip back and taking the chest down. Okay. This is not coming here. This is coming here on the shoulders. This one. Right now middle back is not bending. But now I am bending my middle back. Now it is coming here, okay, behind the chest muscles. So I will show again. You have to interlock your fingers and then exhale. Touch your chest and lift your chin up. This one. Okay. So come here. Try one time. Yes, go for it. Don't get tired. Try. Gautami, keep your legs a little closer to the wall. Yes. Now touch this muscle. This one. Yes, very nice. Now you have to push your hip back and roll your chest down. Your legs are too far. Keep your legs closer. Yes. More closer. Yes. Now exhale. Go down. Very good. You should feel the stretch. You can little bend your knees. You both can little bend your knees. Yes. Bend your knees and try to roll more. Yes. Very good. And try to push your hip more up and take your chest more back. Hold there. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to roll your hip more up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now slowly come back. Yes. Did you feel in the middle back? Yes, this is called middle back muscles. Now again hunch your back. Now we will do little variation. Yes, little variation. Hunch your back. First to hunch your back. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now we will do little variation. So now your posture is correct. Everything is correct. Just when we are going here, now you have to lift your arms up, okay, off the wall. Like this. This one. Okay. I will show again. It will give Gautami, you try. Only you try this one. So again come here and then lift your arms up. Here. Okay. Try this one. It will give very good stretch to your middle back. Yes. Yes. Wait. First come in the center position. Push your hip back. Yes. And touch your chest to the wall. Very good. Now bend your elbows. Yes. Now lift your elbows off the floor and keep the whole weight on the chest muscle. Yes. Keep pushing your elbows up. Try to keep your legs more closer to the wall. Yes. No. Come back. Yes. Come back to center. Now again go back. You don't have to push your hip forward. Okay. Your hip should be going backwards, not forward. Yes. This one. Little bend your knees. Yes. Now lift your elbows up. Off the floor. Off the wall. Yes. Lift your elbows up. Push it up. Push. Try. Yes. Gautami, take your legs closer to the wall. Yes. Now keep the whole weight on the chest and try to push your elbows up. Try to lift up your elbows off the wall. Yes, okay, hold there. Yes, Ravi, bend your knees. Okay. Now Gautami, take your legs back. Yes. Now go for it. Yes, roll your chest out. Yes, very good. Don't bend your knees too much. Just little bending, okay? Yes. Don't bend your knees too much. Hold there. 1, 2, bend your elbows. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, hunch your back. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now one last round we will do. Gautami, look here. One time. Right now you're focused. You are bending your knees too much. Okay, like this one. This is. It will not give stretch what we are looking for. Okay, so one arm gap here between your legs and the wall, and then take your elbows here. Now focus on pushing your hip back. When you are here, then try to little bend your knees. This one. Why? Because it will help to roll your hip more up. Like here and then roll up. Okay, so here and then roll up and then look up. Okay, so don't bend too much, bend just little, because it will help to roll your hip more back. Okay, so try this last round. Yes, go for it. One arm gap between the legs and the wall. Yes, one arm gap. First, Gautami, take your legs more closer. Yes, little more closer. Come back, wait, come back. Yes, whenever you are walking forward, you have to always stand straight. Okay, now take your legs little forward. Yes, now bend your elbows and push your hip back. Yes, don't lean down. Yes, now from here, push your hip back. Yes, keep on trying to push your hip back and try to lift your chest up off the floor, off the wall. Yes, keep pushing your chest towards the hip and push your hip up. Yes, hold there. Do it, Ravi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend your elbows. 5, 6, 7. Don't keep your elbow on the head. 8, 9, 10. Hip roll back more. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, now slowly come back. Now hunch your back. Yes, hunch your back and relax there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now again, forward bend. Yes, now from here, hold for 30 seconds. Okay, hold your ankles. Yes, and then bend forward. Yes, bend forward. Very good. You can lean your chest on the wall also, like this. Yes, this is good. So you have to lean your chest. First bend forward and then slowly lean your chest here and then raise your arms up. Okay, just hold there. Yes, take your legs closer. Gautami, take your legs closer to the wall. Yes, now lean forward. Yes, and keep your arms up on the wall. Yes, hold there for 30 seconds. Relax your spine there. Yes, keep holding there for 20 seconds more. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now slowly go to child pose. Relax for 20 seconds. After this, we will do the line stretches. Yes, so go for child pose. Very nice. Keep your elbows straight. Yes, you can keep your both elbows backwards closer to your thighs. Yes, and keep your shoulder down on the floor. And tilt your neck right side. Yes, and just relax here. Last 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, now slowly come back to center. Okay, now we will do puppy stretches, puppy pose stretches. Okay, I will show you 3 variations. 1 without blocks and then 2 with blocks. Okay, so first one we will do with blocks. So we are going to take 2 blocks, okay, and then keep your blocks in level 3 here, like this on the top, not like this. So you have to keep your blocks here, and after this, first take your knees back, and then exhale. Stretch your chest down. When you come here, you can take your knees more back here, and stretch your chest down here. Okay? Or you can lift your knees up like this. This one. After that, come back and then do child pose. Okay, this is first one. Now second, we are going to bend the elbows and keep it on the block like this. Okay, so you are not going to keep your direct elbow. Keep it this area above the elbow. Okay, on the block here. Interlock your fingers. Then take your knees back. Walk back. Be careful. Don't fall down. And then slowly exhale. Stretch your chest out. This way. And exhale, come back, hunch your back, and relax there. Okay, so these are two stretches with the block. So first try this one, then I will show you without block. So try. Yes, be careful, don't fall. You have to have a strong hold on the blocks. Okay. Yes, go for it. Yes, so yes, okay, now slowly touch your chest to the floor. Now walk with your legs back. Yes. Now walk back with your knees. Wait. Gautami, take your knees back. Your knees are more closer. So you have to take your knees back. Yes. Very good. Ravi, you can keep. Yes. Okay. This is fine. Yes, Ravi, very good. Gautami, look here one more time. No, not like this. Look here again. So your blocks are here. Don't do like this. Okay, don't do like this. We are not doing child pose. So first take your blocks forward. Keep your both palms on the block. Little walk back. And then exhale. Stretch your chest down here. Okay. When you feel comfortable, then take your knees up here. Okay. So try this way. Yes, now walk with your knees back. Take your knees back. Don't move your hands. Yes, keep your hands still. Hold there. Yes. Now, Gautami, wait. Don't lift your toes without taking your knees back. Okay, don't lift your toes. First, you have to take your knees back. Very good, Ravi. Yes, Gautami, keep on taking your knees back. Yes. Very nice. Don't take it more back. Otherwise, it will not come on the shoulders. Yes, look down. Touch your forehead to the wall or to the floor. Yes. And try to push your armpits down. Hold there. 1, 2, 3. Keep your elbow straight. 4, 5. Right now, Gautami, your knees are more back. So you have to take it a little forward. 6, 7, 8. You should adjust according to your flexibility. Okay. Not too much back, not too much forward. Yes. Now go down. Yes. Hold there. Don't lift your toes. Hold there. Yes. This is perfect. Now this is your flexibility. Okay, now slowly come back. Sit down and hunch your back. We will do two rounds. Yes, not 3. Yes, child pose and relax there for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now second round. Again, go for it. Yes, you have to keep your elbow straight. Very good. Now slowly walk with your knees back. Yes, walk back more. Yes, now lift. Don't walk back more. This is fine. Yes, now lift your ankles up and push your chest down. Yes. Hold. Touch your forehead to the floor. Yes, and keep pushing your armpits down and elbow straight. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your elbow straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, slowly come back. Again, go to child pose. Yes, relax there for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we are going to do the second one. So you have to keep your elbow, okay, this area above the elbow joint, keep it on the block, okay, and then bend your elbows and then go for puppy pose. Yes, go for it. But keep a strong hold, otherwise your block can do like this. Okay, so keep a strong hold. Yes, very good. Now slowly, Gautami, walk with your knees back, little back. Yes, yes, this is fine. This is okay, okay, fine, fine. Take your right knee little back. Yes. Now stretch your chest towards the floor. Ravi, take your knees back. Yes, very good. Gautami, don't lift your क्या बोलते हैं, ankles. Yes, take your knees little back. Yes, now only first stretch chest down. Yes, and try to touch your forehead to the wall, to the floor. Yes, yes, yes. It's okay, it's okay. Again, go for it, no problem. Very good. Take your knees back. Yes. Keep on trying to touch your armpits or your chest to the wall or to the floor. Yes, and take your forehead down. Very good. Gautami, keep on trying to push your chest down on the floor and take your knees little back. Hold there. 1. Hold, hold, hold. 2. Don't fall. 3, 4, 5. Knees little back. 6, 7. And touch your chest to the floor. 8. Yes. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, exhale, do child pose. We will do one more round. Yes, go to the child pose. Hold there for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now last round. Do it. Yes, it will come on the shoulders and your tricep, bicep. I know. Yes, yes. Upper back, tricep, bicep, shoulders, everything. Okay, now again go for it. Now slowly walk with your legs, walk with your knees back. Yes, maintain balance, don't fall. Very nice. Gautami, you have to walk little more back. Yes, one step more. Perfect. Now stretch your chest down and try to touch your chest and armpits on the floor. Yes. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push your armpits down. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, very slowly come back. Hunch your back one time. Yes, hunch your back one time. Lift your rib cage backwards. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now do child pose. Hold for 10 seconds. After that, we change. Yes, hold here for 10. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we change. So now we have to remove the blocks. Okay. So now we are going to do 2 stretches of puppy pose, but without the blocks on the floor. Okay. So first you're going to take your arms forward, exhale, touch your chest to the floor, take your knees back. No, from here, lift up your knees up. Yes. So from this position, lift your knees up like this and hold there. For variation, you can lift your leg up. Okay, this is option number 1. Now again 2. So you have to open your legs like a split and then lift up your legs like this. And slowly come back and hunch your back. Okay, so try these 2 options for puppy pose. Try. You understand? Yes, okay, go for it. Try. Try, Rabiji. Yes. Now from here, lift your knees up. Yes. Tuck your toe in, lift your knees up. Yes, very good. Hold there first for 10 seconds. Don't keep your legs away from you, okay? Keep it closer to your body. You have to keep your foot closer, okay? Hold there. 1. Again, go for it. Don't fall down. You both fell down. Yes, very good. Lift up your knees higher. Yes, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now lift your right leg up. Again, come here in the same position. Yes. Again, come in the puppy pose and then lift your right leg up. Lift your knees up. Yes. Now lift your right leg up and hold there. Very good. Keep your knees straight, both knees straight and hold. Lift your hip up. 1, 2. Lift it up. Lift your hip up. 3, 4. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Change your leg. Right now your hips are going very down. Okay. So it will not come where we are focusing on the upper back. So you have to keep pushing your hip towards you. Okay. Yes, this is fine. Yes, you can go this way. Yes, now slowly lift your knees up. Yes, now inhale, raise your left leg up. Yes, very good. And lift your hip higher. Good. Hold there. 1, 2, 3. Knee straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, slowly come back. Okay, now last one. Now you have to open your legs like split as much as you can and then do puppy pose. Okay. Yes, take your arms forward, then touch your chest to the floor. Now slowly lift your knees up. Yes, now open your legs wider. Yes, lift your knees up, walk your legs closer. Yes, Gautami, walk your legs closer to your body. Yes, now open your legs wider. Open your legs more wider. Yes, try. Very good, very good. Keep on trying to open it more. Yes, and keep lifting your hip up. Hold there. 1, 2. Lift your hip up. Don't fall down. Lift up. 3, 4. Walk with your legs closer to your body and open your legs. Yes. 5, 6, 7. Very good. 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes. 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Relax. Go to child pose. Relax. Go to child pose. Yes. After this, we change. Just relax here for 20 seconds. Relax your heartbeat, relax your breathing, relax your whole body. Yes, relax here for 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come up. Okay, now we change. So you have to we have to use one chair. Okay, so bring one chair first. Yes, this is fine. Okay, so we will do 2 stretches. Okay, so we are going to do 2 stretches with the chair. So you need 2 props. That is, one is water bottle and the other one is chair. Okay, so I will show you all 2. So first one, you have to keep your chair like this, and then slowly keep your knees down on the floor. Now from here you have to stretch down. Exhale, take your chest down here, but make sure not to lean your neck like this. Okay, keep your neck straight, and then take your chest forward and hold there. Okay, I will show one more time. So from here, inhale, exhale, take your chest forward towards the chair, and don't lean your neck. Keep your neck straight, and then go forward. And slowly come back to center. Hunch your back. Okay, this is 1. Now 2. You have to sit on the chair like this. Take the water bottle, and then slowly you have to first roll your shoulders back and keep your hip out. Okay, like this. Don't sit like this. You have to push your hip out, chest forward, and then inhale. Take your arms up and use the weight of the water bottle. Make sure not to hold it. You have to use the weight, and then stretch your shoulders back. This one. And your chest forward. This. Okay. Don't keep your neck back, otherwise it will feel pain. So keep your neck forward and open your chest. This one. And exhale. Hunch your back. Okay. So try these 2 stretches. Yes, try. Okay, wait, Gautami, take your knees more back. Yes. Now exhale, take your chest closer to the chair. Okay, don't take it on the floor, take it closer to the chair. Ravi, take your knees back. Yes, knees back. Very good. Now first take inhale, and then exhale. You have to lean forward. Yes, take your chest down. Don't lean your neck down, keep your neck straight. Okay, don't lean your neck. Very good. Now take your chest closer to the chair, not on the floor. Take it closer to the chair. Yes, Gautami, go for it. Don't get tired. Yes, go for it. Tomorrow is your engagement. You are strong. Yes, go for it. Just joking. Okay, go for it. Yes, stretch down. Yes, push your chest closer to the chair and hold there. Very good. Hold, hold. Don't come back. Hold there as much as you can do. Hold. 1, 2, perfect. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, come back. Hunch your back like cat pose. Hunch your back. Yes, hold there for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now do last stretch. After this, we end and relax. Last one. So you have to sit on the chair and bring one heavy water bottle.
I forgot to get water bottle.
You have anything else? Little weight, like geometry or pouch or anything? Any showpiece or anything? Okay, this is fine. You can hold it. Okay, grab it. Yes, now sit on the chair and hold your bag with you. Yes, need little weight. Yes, sit on the chair. Now, first one, you have to push your hip out and chest forward. Okay, so you have to lift your hip out. Okay, sit like pushing your hip out and chest forward. Now, hold the bag and block, and then inhale, take your arms up and push your chest forward. Okay, try to open your heart and chest area and keep pushing your chest forward. Yes, and keep your elbows straight. Very good, Gautami. Push your chest forward. Yes, very nice. And keep taking your arms back. Take it back and keep your elbow straight. Good. Hold there. One. And make sure to keep the weight equally on both hands. Okay, not on one hand only. Equally on both hands. And keep your elbow straight. Lift up. Push your chest more out. Hold there. 1, 2. Very good. 3, 4. Hip out. 5, 6, 7. Gautami, chest more out. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last 5. Chest more out. 6, 4, 3. Very good. 2 and 1. Okay, slowly come back. Hunch your back and just relax. Remove your chair. Remove your equipments. Sit on the floor. Yes, remove everything. Yes, sit on the floor. Shake your legs like this. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now sit in butterfly pose. Sit down in butterfly. Start to knees up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now shift your weight towards the genital area. Not sit like this. Shift your weight forward. Sit on the genital area. And then inhale. Raise your arms up. Exhale. Bend forward. Try to touch your chest or your forehead to the floor. And hold there for 10 seconds. Yes, go down. Yes, don't hunch your back. Try to pop out your chest. Yes, and keep your spine straight. Very good. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, slowly come back. Now we will do Paschimottanasana. So keep your both legs straight. Sit on the genital area and then inhale. Raise your arms up, ankles closer to you. Exhale. Go all the way down. Press down. Keep your neck and shoulder relaxed. Okay, don't do like this or don't hunch your back. Straight your spine and then take your neck down. Okay, hold there for 15. Yes. Bend forward. Yes, very good. Little bend your neck. Look towards your knee joints. Yes, but don't take your neck down. Okay, just look towards your knee joints. Yes, hold there. 1, 2. Try to take your chest more forward, closer to your shin bones. Yes, and little neck down, Gautami. Yes, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, now slowly come back and shake your legs. Yes. Now for the last counter pose, we will do halasana. So you have to lie down and then take your legs back. Keep your spine straight and just hold there. Okay. Or you can walk forward here and hold there. Okay, so do halasana. Yes. Now Gautami, walk forward. No, take your legs away from you, not closer, away from you. Yes. Take your foot. No, don't open your legs. Close your legs. Yes, now walk forward. Take your legs away from you. Yes, उसको अपने से दूर लेके जाओ, legs को आगे लेके जाओ. Not पीछे, आगे, head से दूर. Yes, आगे लेके जाओ. आगे, yes. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Walk forward. 13, 14, 15. Now from here, bend your knees. Yes, legs वहीं पे रखना, आगे ही रखना. Yes, वहीं से bend करो, knees को पीछे नहीं लेके आना. Keep your knees away from you. Yes, walk forward and then knees away. Join your foot. Yes, ankles को join करके रखना है. Yes, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, slowly roll back and come back. Hug your knees one time. Hold for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now roll on your spine and then slowly come up, sit up. Yes, roll करके आओ spine पे. Yes, very good. Sit up, cross your legs. Keep your both palms on your knees. Yes, close your eyes, roll your shoulders back. Take one deep breath. Now we are going to chant Om one time. So join your palms together. Inhale. Now slowly rub your palms together. And then touch your palms to your eyes, your face, and your whole body. And gently open your eyes. Now inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bend forward and touch your chest, touch your head to the floor. Hold there for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, slowly come back to center. Okay, so this was it for today's class. This was for upper back and shoulder flexibility. Okay. So, on Thursday, we will do upper back and shoulder strengthening. Okay. Strengthening. This was for flexibility, to open up this area. You were asking me to do the Dimbasan full wheel pose. So for that you need this opening. You were asking me, right? I told you that you need. I cannot explain more in the message because I cannot explain this in the message. So that is why I said one time when we will contact, then I will tell you. So this was it. Okay. So I hope you're not tired.
Actually, I did not stretch this much.
Yes.
Here, this part.
Yes. You wanted to do full wheel pose. So for this, you need to open this area. When this area will be open, then you can do it very easily. That's why I was telling you to open this area. Right? Okay, so all the best. Hello? Yes. Okay, so all the best for your engagement. And congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. See you on
Thank
Thursday.
you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.